Are you interested in investing in real estate but don't know where to start? Don't worry. In this video, we'll break down the basics of real estate investing for beginners. Whether you're looking for rental income or a long-term asset, this guide will help you take your first step into the world of real estate. In this video, we'll cover the essential topics you need to know as a beginner at real estate investing. What real estate investing is, the benefits of investing in real estate, different types of real estate you can invest in, how to get started step by step, the common mistakes to avoid, stick around, and by the end, you'll have the confidence to make your first real estate investment. What is real estate investing? Real estate investing is the act of purchasing property with the goal of generating income, either through rental payments or future appreciation in value. Unlike stocks or bonds, real estate is a tangible asset, something you can see, touch, and even improve. This makes it a popular option for many investors as it feels more secure and offers multiple ways to build wealth. But what does investing in real estate really involve? When we talk about real estate, we're talking about land and any structure permanently attached to it. For example, a house, an apartment building, or commercial office space. It can also include land without any buildings on it, known as raw land, which investors can later develop or sell as the demand for that land increases. Whether it's a cozy suburban home or a skyscraper in the heart of the city, the key is that the property holds value, and ideally, that value will increase over time. Benefits of investing in real estate. Real estate has long been considered one of the most reliable ways to build wealth, and for good reason. It offers a range of benefits that make it a powerful investment strategy, especially for beginners looking for stability and long-term growth. Let's dive into some of the key advantages of investing in real estate. Steady cash flow. One of the most attractive benefits of real estate is the potential for steady cash flow. When you invest in a rental property, you can generate monthly income by leasing it to tenants. This rental income can cover your mortgage payments, property taxes, and maintenance costs, with the potential for extra profit on top. As long as your property is occupied, you have a dependable income stream. Types of investment in real estate. There are various types of real estate investments, and each comes with a tip. But as a beginner, it's important to understand the different types so you can choose the best fit for your financial goals. Residential real estate. The most common and accessible type of real estate investment is residential. This includes single-family homes, duplexes, townhouses, and condos. When people talk about buying a home to rent out or to live in and sell later, they're referring to residential rater. Residential properties are profit easier to manage and to understand for beginners because they deal with familiar aspects like living spaces and rent collection. A rental income from tenants provides steady cash flow, and over time the property appreciates in value. To get started in real estate, and getting started in real estate might seem overwhelming, but it's actually more straightforward than you think. Let's walk through the basic steps you need to take before making your first investment. Assess your financial situation. The first step is to assess your current finance standing. How much do you have saved? What's your credit score? And serve other debts. Where you stand financially is crumbled because real estate investors often require significant upfront costs, whether for a down payment, closing fees, or repairs. Common mistake to avoid in real estate investing. One of the biggest mistakes new investors make is jumping into a deal without doing thorough research. Whether it's the property's condition, the local market trends, or the neighborhood's future potential, lack of due diligence can lead to poor investment choices. Always research the area's growth potential, the average rental income, and any legal or zoning issues before making a purchase.